How can you set others at ease? In this video, Cherie Griffin answers that question. Cherie is not only a successful business owner, she's a successful human. She's great at being a wonderful person. I gotta tell you, I think that second one is harder than the first. I want you to watch Cherie as she engages with me and interacts with me. There's so much to be observed in this video on how to connect with people and set them at ease. Here we go. Hey, Drew here with Influence Trainer, and I'm with my great friend Cherie, and I'm so happy to be here. Cherie is a fantastic business owner. She's a coach, speaker, trainer, and also has another business that you and your husband run, and amazing. But where we know each other is through the John Maxwell team. We're both coaches.
Absolutely.
And she runs our Dallas-Fort Worth kind of division, our group there. There's like, what, 150?
There's almost 200 now.
Almost 200 members in this group just in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And Cherie is the welcoming party, the organizer, the everything. And one thing that I noticed that when we talk about influence on this channel, one of the abilities of an influential person is the ability to set people at ease and make them feel relaxed and comfortable and welcomed. And that is something you do very, very well. And so I simply want to ask the question of Cherie, how do you set people at ease? So tell us.
Thanks, Drew. Well, I think the thing is most people are looking for authenticity. They're looking for somebody who's truly interested in seeing them, looks them in the eye. What does your body language look like? So squaring up to talk to someone. Also food. Anytime, if you know, a lot of our events, are around, there's something very intimate about breaking bread together. And so I always try to make sure that, we have some type of food activity or something. So, but it's just, and it's being interested in them. It's getting out of your own way and not worrying about making sure everyone knows who you are. It's more important for you to know who they are. And so, people, that's their first thing. They love to tell about themselves. And so I think just taking the time to really be authentic with someone, genuinely be interested in where they are, who they are, and what's going on in their life. And then, like I said, food's just the icing on the cake. So.
That's great. Those are wonderful tips. That's fantastic. And so as you're thinking about increasing your influence, you might not think setting people at ease is a quality that you need to develop. But let me tell you, Cherie is a leader of leaders. And on this team of 26,000 leaders, she is at the top and leads our group of 200 in Dallas-Fort Worth. What a fantastic interview with another highly influential person. I have all of my guest contact information in the description below, and I encourage you to connect with them on social media, follow them, and access all the wonderful content that they have available to you. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so you can have access to this content as soon as it comes out. I have an influence assessment where you can rank your influence, and then you can put together a plan on how to increase your influence over time. I've made that available to you. If you go to the description, it's the first link available to you there. Remember, increase your influence, realize your dream.